Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we will talk about year of millets. What are unique features of growing millets? Millets are a group of small seeds, grasses that are highly adaptable and drought tolerant, making them well suited to growing in regions with low rainfalls and poor soil. They are also highly nutritious, being rich in protein, fiber and minerals, and are a good source of energy. Some other unique features of millets include diverse range of uses. Millets can be used for a variety of purposes including human consumption, animal feeds and even as a biofuel. They can be ground into flour and used to make a wide range of food such as porridges, flatbreads and baked goods. Short growing season. Millets have a relatively short growing season, typically taking only about 3 to 4 months to mature. This makes them well suited to regions with short rainy season or where other crops may not have time to mature. Resistance to pests to disease. Millets are generally resistant to pests and disease, which can make them a more reliable crop for farmers. High yield potential. Millets have a potential to produce high yield even under changing growing condition, making them an important food source in many parts of the world. Sustainable crop. Millets are often grown using sustainable farming practice such as minimal use of chemical and water efficient irrigation methods. This makes them a more environmentally friendly choice for farmers and consumers. Nutrient rich. Millets are rich in a range of nutrients including protein, fiber, iron and other minerals. They are also a good source of energy and are easily digestible. Gluten free. Most types of millets are naturally gluten free, which makes them a suitable alternative to wheat and other grains for people with celiac disease of gluten sensitivity. Versatility. Millets can be cooked in a variety of ways, including boiling, roasting, and grinding into flour. They can also be sprouted and used in salads and other dishes. Climates resilience. Millets are well suited to growing in drought prone areas and are able to tolerate extreme temperature fluctuation. This makes them a reliable crop for farmers in regions with challenging growing conditions. Low cost. Millets are generally less expensive to grow in process than other grains, making them an affordable food sources for many people. Thank you so much.